Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model part number 109 from cadexpert.com. So you can get this sketch of this part on website cadexpert.com under 3D models. So let's start modeling of this part. So before starting the modeling, I will explain my modeling approach. So in this to model this part, I will first draw this base feature. After that I will draw these features, and after that I will make a cut, and then these three holes and these three holes on left side and right side. So so first draw our base sketch. So I clear this. So our base sketch will be this one from top view. So let's start. So to start, my active workbench is a part design. Now I will create on the new part, create body, and then create a sketch. So as per my orientation of the part, I will select this top plane XY, and I will start my sketching. So sketch is very simple, so let's draw it. So we have drawn our base profile. Let me little bit short it so that, yes, so we have draw on our base profile. Now we will extrude it of thickness. Let's see the thickness. So here total height is 80, it is 60, so this our plate thickness will be 20. So let's extrude it to the 20. So extrude the sketch, press 0, go to the isometric, and extrude it to the 20 mm. Okay. Now we will make this middle profile and up to the height of 60. So let's do it. So now we will make it tangent. Draw one line from here and one line from here, and I will make it tangent with this and this here. Now okay, now I will trim the unnecessary geometry. So I will trim this, I will trim this and this and this and this. So if you see our sketch, so outer one is radius 35, so I will go radius and give it 35, and inside one is 20. So if you see here, it is 20. So I will go radius and give it 20. Now we will see our sketch is unconstrained, and if we see here, there is a tangency is not there. So I will make tangency here. Okay, here also tangency. Okay, now if we look, if you look our sketch, so if we look our sketch, the part total width of our part is 330, and from this end point it is 40. So 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 it is 330 minus 80, 250, means our slot end point is from here to here, it is 280, right? Sorry, 250. So if we subtract the radius 35 and 35 70 from the both the side, so if I minus 70 here, so we get 180. So our center to center distance is 180. So I will select this point and this point, give horizontal dimension of 180, and from center, from this point to this point, horizontal, it should be 90. So if you see that our sketch is fully constrained here, so that's how, if some dimension is not given, how you calculate. So we will close the sketch and we will extrude it to the height of 60. This is the height which you have to extrude. So let's extrude it. I will go to the pad and give it a 60 dimension. And now if we see here, we have to add some material here. Add some material here. So in fact we have to change some sketch. What we have to do now, actually inside there is a material, so we will remove this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and our dimension will be remain as it is. So I select this 180, and from this to this 90, and see why. So I will make this and this as a horizontal, this and this as a horizontal. Okay, this and this. Okay, so so here is a material, that's why we have removed our inside sketch. Now we have to make a depth cut of 30. So I will select the face and I say the sketch, and what I will do, I will project all this geometry, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. And if I see here, our inside radius is R20. So what I will do, I will simply draw two circles from here to here, and I will say I will give directly here radius 20 and 20. Now what I will do, I will select the line and I will make it tangent from here, 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 and will make it tangent. Now I will trim the unnecessary geometry here, 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 and this one. So if you see that something got over constraint, so we have to select here, so it will automatically highlight the constraint which is over. So I will simply select delete. So if I move this my point, so here is a no tangency. So what we do, we will make it tangent this and this also. So our sketch is fully constrained. Now we close the sketch, and as per our sketch, we have to made a cut of depth 30. So I will go to the extrude cut and make it 30. Click on OK. So base 2 feature we have made. Now now we will make this hole, and all this hole on that highlighted face, and we will pattern it. So let's draw the holes. So I make two circles here, one this and this, and distance between these two is 110. So I will select 110, and I go to the wireframe, and from center I will give a mid dimension from here to here, should be 55. It should be 55, and our hole is of diameter 20. So I will give it a diameter 20, 20, 20, and now how much it is from center. So if we see, it is 90. So I will give 90. So so we have given dimension 110. I get 110. This 90 from, because this is from the center here, so we have given 90. And now we will make this one, this center point and this center points as vertical. So our sketch is fully constrained. Now we will close the sketch, and we move to the flat lines. Now we will make hole. This hole is of diameter 20. So we will, so our diameter is 20, and dimension will be through all, and no custom values. So I say OK. Now we will select this hole and move to the circular pattern, select hole, and it is horizontal sketch axis, it is automatically selected. So if you see, we want 3. Okay, so total it is 180. So this is the total is 180 into 3. So I will say OK. Now if you see, we have made these 3 holes here. Sorry, let me clean. So as of now we have made these 3 hole and 3 hole using the pattern features. Now we have to make this 3 hole at the center. To do that, we have to rotate our model here and select this face, and I will say sketch. So what I will do, I will draw a sketch here. Okay, simple one, and I will include this project this circle. And what I will do, I will select this center point and this center point and give vertical constraint. And now our whole diameter is 15. If you see here, it is 15. So now I will give diameter dimension 15. So I have option here, I can give dimension from the center point, but try to constrain sketch with respect to constraint option as much as you can. Use the less dimension for the constraining, because it will have the dependency. If this whole shift 10 mm from left to right, then this hole will be automatically shifted. So if you give the dimension, then if this whole shift left or right, then this will not update. So that's why constraint use uh, constrain the sketch using the constraint features rather than dimensions. So now I will close this, and if I see here in our sketch, so it is a through all hole. So what I will do, I will select hole, and our hole size is 15. So I will go here and give diameter 15. Let me expand it. Okay, 15, dimension through all, and no custom values because it is a blind hole. So I will say okay. Now this I will select this hole 001 and select on rectangular pattern. So it is the length of 180, occurrences is 3. So if you see that this hole got pattern, and I will say okay. So if I press 0, it will go to the isometric view. So we have made all the features. We can say in wireframe view, if you see wireframe here, so we can see that if I say here hidden lines, then you will be able to okay okay. So now the last thing is to give to the color. So I think color is similar to what our model. So friends, this is the modeling tutorial of the part 109 of FreeCAD. Please let me know your point of view. If you have any suggestion, you can comment me in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching my videos and thanks for your valuable time.